how to insert and send files from Google Drive to a message email on Gmail. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is go to Gmail. As you can see, this is the home page. Now all what you have to do here is simple. Just click here on compose, and now all what you have to do is go here and you will find this little drive logo icon. Click on it, and now you can choose a file from your drive here. I'm gonna choose this one and click insert, and here's the file is ready. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end. See you in the next video.